Hey guys, welcome back to the Not Only Carrots cooking show. I'm Leah and today I'm going to show you how to cook fresh asparagus and make it taste really awesome. Let's get started. Okay, you can find fresh asparagus in the produce section of your supermarket. When you remove the bands, just be careful that you don't snap off the tips of your asparagus because they're really yummy. Okay. Here are a couple of bunches of asparagus that I prepared earlier. All I did was give them a bit of a rinse off. But what we have to do before we start cooking these babies is you have to snap off the woody ends. So tip and don't snap off the wrong bit. Essentially you want to push gently until you feel that it just wants to snap off. If you're snapping it and it's snapping half of your asparagus off, you're probably snapping too high. So don't snap that high. Those woody bits, I just throw them out, but if you're keen, you could juice them, I suppose, or throw them in a stew. There you go. And we're just going to do that with all of our asparagus. The ends, you probably could eat them, but they're just like, you know, woody. You'd have to chew and chew and chew. Good for a jaw workout, I suppose. I've taken the ends off all of my asparagus stalks now, and they're going to go into a pan. Make sure it has a lid on a medium heat. This is preheated. You're going to pop them straight in. We may turn our heat up a little bit. And I'm going to add along to that, I will turn my heat up now, it's too low. 1 cup of water. And a teaspoon of vegetable stock powder. This is broth powder, okay? Make sure you dissolve that broth powder in the water. You can pre-dissolve it if you like and stir it in all ready to go. Now that that's all stirred in, literally I leave that alone now. I'm going to put the lid on it. This is my life hack to my lid. I stuck blue tack over the hole because all of the steam was escaping. If too much steam escapes, then you can find that the asparagus may need a little extra water, but keep an eye on it. And pretty much now I'm just going to leave this and we'll come back in a couple of minutes' time. Okay guys, my asparagus is ready to go. I added a little bit extra water. All right, I'm going to turn off that pan and take a look. Mine were in for roughly 4 minutes, depending on how soft or crunchy you like your asparagus. You can leave it in for a little bit longer or a little bit less. As you can see, it's a beautiful, vibrant green color. This asparagus goes so nicely with walnut patties, the lentils and mash, also from the cookbook, and things like vegan sausages. I've got my own recipe up there you can check out, and a lot of store-bought patties and things. So if you just want to have a quick meal, grab a patty out of the freezer, fry it up and have your asparagus cooking on the stove as well, and voila, you're set to go for your meal. So I hope that you enjoy tasting this recipe as much as I enjoy eating it as well and preparing it. And make sure you check out our other recipes, guys. We have lots of playlists, a whole season from 2018 and a whole brand new season coming now, 2019. So make sure you check it out and leave a like and subscribe, of course. Comment below if you've got a suggestion about what you like to have with your asparagus. And as always, we will see you in the next video. Bye.